Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. How I made over $200 monthly, and you can see my total ROI profit that I made today is $5.60 and over here is the package, is the purchase package, the package plan that we have for you here. So we have silver, we have gold, we have diamond. So let me explain in details for you. For silver, you can start with if you have $50 to $1,000, you can invest in silver, and you're going to get 1.40% daily for 125 days. For gold, you can start with $1,000 to $5,000. Then for diamond, you can start with $5,000 to $10,000. So I start with I'm using the silver plan because I start with $200. So just watch this video to the end and you learn how to do this. So let's concentrate more on this server because this is the plan I'm using currently. So if you deposit $50 here, now you're going to be getting 1.40% profit daily with this affiliate marketing. So I will show you how to get this package, and I'll show you how to deposit and how you can withdraw. Purchase the package, just click on this place here that is showing 3 lines. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see purchase package. Click on purchase package. Once you just click on it, then it's going to show you all the package that we have here. So let's start now. First, you have to deposit. Before you invest, you have to deposit. So I'm going to show you how to deposit. You want to deposit, still click on this arrow, these 3 lines here at the left top right. Just click on it, then click on fund. Just click on this fund and click on deposit. So there are different cryptocurrency that you can deposit with. We have Bitcoin, we have Litecoin, we have Ethereum here, we have USDT. So I use USDT, and we have a Tron here. So I use USDT. Just click on deposit. Then this will appear. Just click on copy the address so you can scan this thing. Once you copy the address, go to Trust Wallet or Binance and transfer $50 to once you just deposit $50 here, then you are good to start. This for the USDT address. You can also use Tron, you can also use Ethereum or Bitcoin, whatever you have, any portfolio, whatever you have in your portfolio, you can use and deposit. So once you deposit, then you can now start earning. Then once you deposit, go to purchase package. Click on this purchase package here. To click on purchase package, then you can select the investment type. Since it's personal, you can click on purchase for yourself. Then you select wallet. Once you deposit, it's going to show the wallet that you have your amount. You see I have in my ROI. Then if you deposit, it's going to show in your C wallet. Then just click on that C wallet balance. Once you click on it, you put the amount that you want to invest. Let's imagine that you deposit $50. Then just click on, type the amount $50. Then you now click on this invest. So automatically it will invest, and you start earning your percentage daily. Instead of to keep your money in just one place without increasing, just transfer it here, then invest. Then you're going to be earning percentage as I show you here. For silver is 1.40%, for gold is 1.80%, and for diamond you can be earning 2.30%. that is daily, and you can be withdrawing your profit daily. And so to withdraw, still click on this 3 arrow here, this 3 arrow at the top left. Just click on it, then go to that fund again. click on fund, and you see withdraw here. You see withdraw, click on withdraw. So the withdraw option is here. You can click on withdraw. In my next video, I'm going to make a video. I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof of, because I don't want to make this video long, I'm going to show you a withdrawal proof. And this site also have a customer support. You can click on this place that look like Telegram. Once you click on it, you're going to see. So once you click on it, you're going to see a customer support here, so you can chat them in case if you are confused about it, so they will direct you how to do it. So thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe and turn up the notification bell, and please share this video. For I'm going to drop a new video, so please